Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to continue on with our Numpy series. And today we are going to be introduced to the linear algebra piece of Numpy. So let's just go ahead and bring this in. And if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject matter at a time. So we're going to be looking at linear algebra. So let's just go ahead and look at this. Numpy, lin, algebra. Okay. So here we are. This is a section, and I'll show you what we're going to be working with in regard to linear algebra. All right, np, lin, al. All right. So it's a pretty big section. Excuse me. All right, this package in and of itself, and it's so large, it's its own package. So this is some of the dynamics. All right, so let's see. We're going to be mainly using in this problem, and I'll show you the problem that we are going to be working with. So copy this and bring this over. So all right. We're not going to focus as much on the math, but we will touch on it just for a second. So, all right, and we're going to have this then in a matrix. So, okay, so here's our array, but here is our a times x, b times x, c times x is going to equal b. So, all right, if we look, we have the distributive property. We can isolate this out, pull this out, and x is really a, and then we take our b array and divide it by our a array. So that's what we're going to be doing, but today we're just going to be focusing on an introduction to this entire package, which is now we're getting into the very, very powerful pieces of Numpy. And basically what we're going to be focused on next couple videos are the inverse, and then we'll look at solve. So unbelievably powerful, and like we'll be seeing, this is the type of stuff that you can just put into Numpy. We'll take care of it for you. So we'll do what we do, where we'll do it the long way and really understand the dynamics of it, of what we need to do, and then we'll do the shortcut way. But this is just an introduction to the linear algebra package inside Numpy. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. We'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Make sure you're checking out this video or this video. And absolutely most important, make sure you're hitting the subscribe button and the notification bells. We got videos coming out all the time. I want to thank you for joining us. Thanks for being here, and we'll just see you guys next time. Bye.